The trailing stitch is a thick stitch with a slight relief or dimension. So I will use 3 layers of the 6 strands of the embroidery floss. I will bring them out of the fabric using the tapestry needle. I would leave it open so that I can shape it or meander it the way I want. I would then bring out another thread to start couching down this thick layer from one side. It is pretty much like working the satin stitch with a filling of these layers of thread. So you can control the thickness of your stitch by regulating the layers of the thread you are using as the foundation. You can use a thick cord instead of various layers of thinner threads. The best part about this stitch is that you can turn it, curve it, meander it the way you want, allowing you a great deal of freedom to shape it. This stitch is used mainly in dimensional hand embroidery because of the thickness. I find it particularly nice to create textures. You can create a narrow look by passing the needle right under the foundation instead of the side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.